A mold growing on the grain isn't just ruining the harvest, but silently poisoning our food supply? Fusarium graminearum, also known as Gibberella zeae in its sexual stage, is a destructive fungal pathogen with serious implications for agriculture, food safety, and even human and animal health. It's notorious for causing Fusarium head blight, primarily in wheat and barley, leading to major economic losses globally and contaminating grains with potent mycotoxins. Fusarium graminearum infects cereal crops through spores that settle on the flowering heads of plants. Under humid conditions, the fungus rapidly colonizes the grain, producing visible bleaching and premature ripening of the spikelets. But its real danger lies in what it produces. Mycotoxins, particularly deoxynivalenol, DON, also known as vomitoxin. This trichothecene toxin inhibits protein synthesis in eukaryotic cells by binding to the ribosomal peptidyltransferase center, effectively halting translation and damaging rapidly dividing cells. In plants, DON helps the fungus suppress host immune responses, allowing deeper tissue colonization. It acts as a virulence factor, weakening the plant's defense mechanisms and accelerating tissue decay. In humans and animals, ingestion of contaminated grain can lead to a range of toxic effects, from nausea, vomiting, and gastrointestinal distress to immunosuppression and growth retardation. Chronic exposure, even at low levels, is particularly concerning due to potential long-term immune dysregulation. Because of its thermal stability, DON is not easily destroyed by standard food processing methods. This makes rigorous monitoring of food and feed essential. Regulatory limits have been established in many countries, but outbreaks still occur, especially in years with prolonged wet conditions during flowering stages. Fusarium graminearum is more than just a plant pathogen. It's a silent threat with a broad impact on food security, trade, and health. Subscribe and follow us for more science-backed content.